Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. We have to solve the quadratic equation x upon x plus 1 plus x plus 1 upon x is equal to 61 by 30. So first of all, let us simplify it and make it a quadratic equation. So if we take LCM and we simplify it, then we will obtain this. Let us cross multiply it and expand x plus 1 whole square as x square plus 1 plus 2x using a plus b whole square formula. Now 61 x square plus x. Now again let us simplify it further and we will obtain this equation. Let us take the x square terms together and x term together and constant term together. So 60x square plus 60x plus 30, and in the right hand side we have 61x square plus 61x. So from here we can see 61x square minus 60x square give x square. Similarly, we will obtain the final equation as x square plus x minus 30 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Let us find its root, or let us solve this quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. So x square plus 6x minus 5x minus 30. We can write this equation like this by splitting the middle term x as 6x minus 5x. Now let us take x common. So the remaining terms are this. Now we can see x minus 5 and x plus 6 are the factors of this quadratic equation. Hence the roots are 5 and minus 6. So here we have to solve this quadratic equation and the final answer is 5 and minus 6.